Good Earth Lighting's red spectrum grow light covers the flowering and fruiting growth cycles of plants. Red spectrum is the most responsive light to plants. It plays a dominant role in maturity and size. This grow light produces 92 par value of light energy for the plant to absorb and promote accelerated growth. It provides ample coverage for a 2 by 4 foot planting area. The 4-lamp design with its LED cool operation prevents burning of leaves or fruit compared to fluorescent lamps. You can link up to 4 of these fixtures. Operate the light with the switch and removable 5-foot power cord. Control the amount of light the plant gets with the timer. For every 24-hour cycle, set the timer to 12, 16, or 20 hours for the light to stay on. The light will turn on and off at the same time every day when left plugged in. For optimum growth, the light should be mounted 6 to 18 inches above the plant. The light can be chain hung or surface mounted.